Hi, I'm John Vaitia. I've been a real estate broker for over 50 years. At this time, I've been asked, what about short sales? What are they? If I'm a seller, what are my responsibilities? What are my tax implications? Each person's situation is a little bit different. What I do know is that you need an experienced person to help guide you through a short sale. They can be very simply handled if you've got the right team of people. What we have found is that lenders today are more than willing to help people who are in a distressed situation. It used to be that it took a very long time to do a short sale and to get you moved to your next house. Today, lenders are willing to help you. They're even willing to pay some of your moving expenses and make your transition easy. The other thing is that lenders are understanding that people got into problems and they're giving them opportunity to buy again in a shorter time. Each situation's different. We'd love to talk to you about your situation. We're experts at this. We've been doing it for a long time. Like I said, I've been in this business 50 years. We've done hundreds and hundreds of short sales and helped people just like you move on with dignity. Here we are to help you. John Vaitia, 949-701-5554. Let 50 years of experience go to work for you. Bye-bye now.